Advice to people in the world is that let's concentrate on minimum mutually beneficial interests. And these are trade, investments, tourism, and mutual support in any other area. Then where we don't agree, where we have got divergences, those are internal issues. And this is where my Christianity comes in. In the Christian religion, there is a portion which says, "Let your light so shine before men that they see your good deeds and praise your Father who is in heaven." In other words, if you think you are right, you do things properly in your own country, then people will come and see, this is a good example, and they will change. But not by coercion, not by fights, not by, because it will not work, it has failed.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.